Man, the debate on whether you should buy a house right now in this market with these high interest rates or if you should continue to rent is a big topic right now, all over social media and everywhere, all over the news. But one thing that people aren't talking about is what does it cost for a down payment versus your rent? There's so many places that require, especially these big property management companies, that require your first, your last, and your security to get into a new house when you're renting. And that can be thousands of dollars. If you are looking at a $3,000 a month rent, it is going to be $9,000 for first, last, and security. Now, when you compare that to, let's say, a down payment for 3.5% on a $300,000 house, that's only $10,500. So it's just about the same. Now you're gonna say, oh, well, what about closing costs? What about closing costs? Well, we can get that covered through seller concessions, down payment assistance. We're getting people into homes for a lot less than $9,000. And that means you can buy a house for a lot less than you're actually going to be renting a house on that initial payment. So if you wanna buy the house, buy the house. Don't listen to the media. Then maybe one day, you get to hang up a vacuum in your laundry room as well.